At AAA State of Play, we know all about playgrounds, but fun, fitness, and socialization aren't limited to two legs. We're putting these experts to the test, Kelsey and Luca.
Come on, come on.
Dog parks and accessories are one of the fastest growing features in parks, whether large park for public use or smaller ones in suburban residential or apartment communities. Bark parks have become both amenity and necessity. With more people living in cities, many of them with smaller yards or no yards, the number of off-leash dog parks has almost doubled in the past 15 years.
The dogs really enjoy it. Kelsey is definitely likes this area.
Kelsey is loving this smaller dog park we just installed at a new senior living community in Indianapolis. Sandwiched between bocce courts and pickleball courts is a safe haven for people and their pooches.
We know that where they go, their fur friends go. And we wanted to accommodate both all of our residents, human and pet, so we decided to have an outdoor dog park.
AAA State of Play has a big selection of commercial dog park equipment by the piece, or we offer several bark park packages. Even this smaller space has all the basics for safe and vigorous exercise for both dogs and their humans. It all starts at the double-gated entry. Once inside is a colorful fire hydrant because, well, we're talking dogs. There's a water supply, an important addition for you and your dog. We have a variety of fountains to quench their thirst and yours. AAA State of Play offers several bark park features encouraging exercise, confidence, and agility. Luca definitely is king on this King of the Hill incline. We also offer a selection of jumping bars and hoop jumps that challenge dogs of all sizes and abilities. And everywhere you look are fun reminders that you're in a dog park. While the dog is playing and exercising, so are you.
Good for both me and the dog. Getting the socialization is important with her, and getting the exercise. She's definitely a dog that likes to be active.
And when it's time to chill out, move over, Rover. This bench with shade is meant to be shared. Quality time for pets and their people. We have a history of taking care of both of you.
We built a very good relation with AAA State of Play, and then we contacted them and said, hey guys, we have developed a new community, senior lifestyle community. We've got a whole courtyard plan laid out. I sent that over. They designed where the fence would go, the double gated entry. They designed what pieces should go where with a little bit of our input, and ordered it, came out and installed it. And they did a phenomenal job. They were here for just a couple of days, really laid everything out spaciously and nailed it.
Other bark park amenities include leash stations, a variety of other challenge and exercise equipment, and places to cool down and rest. All of it made of metal, plastic, and recycled materials, most covered in a hard shell coating for durability, longevity, and ease of cleaning. And before you leave, please clean up. We offer a big selection of welcome signs, dispensers, disposable bags, and waste bins, all to help pet owners obey the rules and be good neighbors. Whether you buy it by the piece or the package, whether you install it or let us do it, if you've come to AAA State of Play, you're definitely barking up the right tree.